Would a broken panel still produce or generate electricity? In this video, we are going to show you whether it's possible for a broken panel to generate electricity or not. We did this test around 5 p.m. in the evening. Here we have a broken panel, 265 watts. So first, we are going to use our digital multimeter to check the current, check the voltage, multiply it together to see the amount of energy or the amount of power it's generating. Then we are going to use a DC bulb to confirm it that the solar panel is still working or not. So the weather right now or the sun have really gone down, but we are still going to do the test. So let's take out this test under the sun. So I have to make sure that the panel is directly facing the sun in order for us to get result from this very test we'll be doing. Like I said, this is a broken panel. You know, a lot of people have been asking whether it's possible for a broken panel to still generate electricity or not. We are going to do that test right now. So if you have been throwing away your broken solar panels, maybe after this video you will change your mind. So the first thing we are checking is the voltage. First thing is the voltage. The second thing will be the current. So you can see the panel is able to generate 33.9 volts. Just forget about the minus. I changed the polarity of the meter, and that's why it's indicating the minus sign or the negative sign. So let me interchange the polarity so that we'll get it right. So we have 33.9 volts coming from this broken solar panel. Let's check the amount of current being generated. So if you want to check current using your digital multimeter, don't forget we have about 4 ports here. The first one is 20A, which is 20 amps. The second one is milliamp, that is MA. The third one is COM, that is the negative, the common. Then here you can use it to read your voltage, your capacitor, your resistor, or your continuity. So if you want to read your current, or if you want to read current of a solar panel, you remove this metering. Normally this metering used to be here. You remove it from here and put it on this 20A. That means this meter is capable of reading up to 15 or 20 amps of current from the solar panel. So you are now going to turn your pointer. Our pointer now is facing 200 volts. So we are turning it down to this, or we are turning it to the left, which is 20A. This 20 represents amps, and that is why it has this logo. So turn your pointer to the left. So now you'll be able to read the current. So let's read the current of the solar panel and see how many watts is generating this evening. You can see it means this solar panel is still very, very good. Maybe like it has like 60% life in it. So we have about 2.7 amps. We are going to multiply the 33 which we had, that's 33.9 volts, by 20.72 or 74 volts. So this solar panel is a 265 watts, like I said earlier, and this is a polycrystalline solar panel, not the mono, and is able to generate 92 watts this evening. It means this solar panel still have some life in it. So this is not bad. So if you have been throwing away your broken solar panel, this video should change your mind, you know, in doing that. So I'm going to use this DC bulb to test it to see if the DC bulb, this is a 12 volt DC bulb. You can see it is a 12 volt DC bulb. We are going to test it to see if it will light up or not. So from our test, which we use digital multimeter, it proved that, or it showed that this solar panel is generating up to 90 watts. So let's do a test using this DC bulb to see how many, to see if the DC bulb will light up or not. You can see it. It means this solar panel still have life in it. So there is no point it have burnt our bulb because the voltage is too high for it. You know, I know it will get it burned, but I just have to test it for you to see. So if you have a broken solar panel and you are thinking of throwing it away, there is no point throwing it away because all that shattered is the glass, but the cells inside are still intact. So if you have broken panel, put them together and generate some energy instead of throwing them out, and you know, you won't have any solar panels. So at the back, let's look at the ratings. You can see it. The maximum power is 265 watts. The open circuit voltage is 37.7 volts. The maximum power voltage is 30.6 volts, and here is our current. Maximum power current is 8.6 amps. So from the voltage we are able to get at 3.9 volts, and from the current we are able to get 2.74. You multiply that together, that's around 90 something watts. So this solar panel still have some life in it. Stop throwing away your broken solar panels.